Jenny. Jenny. Hold on. It's recording.
I like it.
Oh my God!
Oh, that was great.
Oh, I missed it.
This is like.
Oh, God.
Hang on, John. Hang on.
No, she goes, I want Ariel. That's what she said.
Hang on, John.
Oh my gosh, look at all those dolls.
Oh my gosh, how hilarious is that?
You got a Bakugan down.
Oh
Sorry, bud. I think that was toast.
no. Uh-oh.
Just put them away. Yep. That was all.
Where you keep on walking on? So, is that
all that paper
you?
off.
I want to see what it is. Show it. What is it? What is that?
I got another dude.
You got another dude?
What do you think about that, Jenny? Do you love it?
It's pretty.
What's in here? Who is that?
Armanda.
Who is that? Oh, the
Armanda.
square?
You want to step down?
You want to get all this stuff out? You want to get it all out? Oh, come on. Yeah. I think that's all of them. What do you say to everybody? This one's pretty. Say thank you. What's this one? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. I think you opened them all. Did you open that one right there? Ginny, I don't think you opened what's in that little snowman bag. Open the bag. Oh, it's falling out, sweetie. Ginny, right there.